Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where the bracketed name is coming from and which account controls it. Open Truecaller, log into the account tied to the phone number, and inspect your public profile and contact preview. If the bracket text appears as a verified profile name, note that you may need document proof. Once you know the source, profile tag, crowdsourced label, or synced contacts, you're ready to act on the specific removal method that follows. Now proceed to change or remove the bracket tag. First, edit your profile name in Settings, right arrow Edit Profile, remove the bracket text, and save. If the label is crowdsourced, open the contact card, tap Report or Feedback, choose Incorrect or Abusive Label, and submit a correction request. Also toggle Contact Sync. Unsyncing or refreshing contacts can reveal whether the bracket originates from your phonebook. Make sure to wait a few hours for propagation before checking again. Finish by confirming the removal and taking fallback steps if it persists. After saving profile edits or reporting the tag, give Truecaller 24 to 72 hours for updates to propagate. If the bracket still shows, clear the app cache and reinstall Truecaller, then recheck. When necessary, send a support request including the phone number, exact bracket text, and ID proof to prove ownership. If changes do not apply, the key troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.